If you use Microsoft Word and want your documents to look more polished and professional, learning how to add headers and footers is one of the easiest skills you can pick up. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert headers and footers in Microsoft Word step by step, so you can add things like titles, dates, page numbers, or any custom text you want at the top or bottom of your pages. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Word tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your Word document. It can be a new blank document or an existing file you're already working on. Once your document is open, go up to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps tools for adding extra elements to your document, including headers and footers. Now look for the header option if you want something at the top of the page, or the footer option if you want something at the bottom. Click on either one, depending on what you want to add. After you click it, Word will show you a list of built-in styles. These are pre-designed header and footer layouts that you can use right away. You can choose a simple style, a more modern layout, or a formatted option that includes lines or placeholders. Pick the one that fits your document best. Once you select a style, Word will automatically open the header or footer area for editing. Now you can type your content directly into that space. You might want to add a document title, your name, a company name, a date, a chapter name, or page numbers. If you want page numbers, Word also makes that easy to insert from the same area. You can keep it simple or customize it however you like so your document matches the purpose of your project. After you finish typing or making changes, take a moment to check that everything looks the way you want it to. If needed, you can format the text by changing the font, size, or alignment, just like regular text in the document. When you're happy with it, click Close Header and Footer to exit editing mode and return to the main document. That's it! Your header or footer is now added and will appear on the pages of your Word document as designed. This is a great way to make reports, assignments, resumes, and business documents look more organized and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.